I already cut this round block with a hole saw, but I didn't cut a center hole. I didn't have the drill bit in the hole saw. This is my hole saw. And then I realized I really would like to know the center of this, and it would have been good to have a hole, but I don't. So, is there a way that I can accurately mark the center of this? So I found a good trick to do that. I have my hole saw here, and you can see normally a drill bit can be mounted in there, and there's a set screw. Well, I found that this countersink this countersink bit is actually the perfect size to fit in there. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, I got the countersink mounted in there. It's fit perfectly, the right size shaft on it, and I was able to set the set screw. So now all I had to do is place this over. Now this is thankfully long enough where it sticks out, but I can just place it on there and then kind of spin it around and get that center hole marked for whatever I want to do next.